Hey, what's going on, guys? I just had a chance to set up one of the drivers that I got in the mail. Check the link to see the actual driver that I'm talking about, because I don't think you'll be able to pick it up. It comes 4 in a pack for like $6 or something around that price range. Right now I have it. I just added a couple little heat sinks on it, just so to keep it a little bit cooler while I show you guys this. Once I throw it into a host and heatsink it properly, it'll be a lot better. I have 12 volts coming in. I've also tested this with 10 volts. I haven't tested it yet with 218/650s, so I will update the thread on that. And it let me show you this little mod that you can do to actually get a lot more milliamps out of it than what it comes with. So stock, you can see it comes at 935 milliamps, around there, or 933, 932. If you add a 1 ohm resistor across the R27 resistor, it jumps up to 1170 170 milliamps. You add another 1 ohm resistor. When I make this more compact, I'm waiting for my DigiKey order to come in, so when I make it more compact, I'm just gonna order a 1.25 ohm SMD resistor. You can see now I added two 1 ohm resistors, which cuts it in half, so it's 0.5 ohm resistor, and I'm getting 1390 around there. Correct me if I'm wrong, but if you put these in parallel, it cuts the resistor in half, the value of the resistor in half. So add one more. We jump up to 1593. Add one more, which will bring the value, if I'm correct, down to 0.25 ohms, because there's 4. Then you divide it by 1 ohm by 4, and you get 0.25. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, so you can see 17 almost 1.8 amps. With proper heatsink, this driver is more than capable of handling this. I've read many things on Candle Power Forum on them. I've got what do you want to call, the larger cousin of this exact same driver. It's using a 220. What are these called? Not rectifiers, but the coil thing. I forgot what it's called right now. Sorry, guys. It uses a larger one, so I'm waiting for that to come in. I have one right now that's being used in one of my lasers that I've been using for a few months with no issue, and I don't want to take it out to mod that one, so I'm just gonna wait until the new ones come in. So you can see, I mean, it's still it's still holding around the same milliamps. I mean, it's an awesome little driver. The 8-pin chip on this driver does get hot. It doesn't get as hot when you're running it at stock, around 980 or 930 milliamps. But if you run it for a long period of time, it does get hot. And obviously, the higher current, it's going to get hot. So I recommend you heatsink this driver, definitely, if you're going to be running it at this output. At stock, I mean, you really don't have to heatsink it if you're just trying to get around 1 amp. But Shin has a driver that's an awesome looking driver. It's running off of one 3.7 volt cell, so that's pretty cool. I would probably go with that one, and plus it's 3 mode if you're looking for anything under 1 watt with 3 modes. But if you're looking at it like a larger build, that's taking I haven't tested it with the two 18650s, but if the host can fit two 18650s, it can fit 4 3 volt cells, so you can get 12 volts. So yeah, I mean, still you can see it's at 1770, hasn't changed for 4 minutes, and it's not hot, but it's getting there. But you can see there's barely any heatsink on them. It's just a little piece of aluminum. So it lost maybe what, 7 milliamps or 5 milliamps. I have to roll back the tape. So this is an awesome driver. I'm gonna probably put it in my next build, and I might even consider swapping out my 2 watt build that I just did with the LM350 with this driver. I'm not sure yet, for better heat, to keep the heat down. Alright guys, so I'm gonna post this up for you guys. Alright, thanks for looking. Bye.